Hi, I'm Chrissy and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about mica powders, specifically the craft resin ones, because I love these so much, and I'm going to go through tips and tricks on how to use mica powders, and also I'm going to do like a little craft with me so you can see exactly how I use them. So hopefully you find this useful, and I guess other than that, let's get started. Okay, so these are the mica powders that I'm going to be using. I absolutely love these. They come in a box of 30 different colours, which is amazing, especially if you're starting out and you've got so many choices. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. Clearly mine's been used, as you can see all the resin, the resin drips everywhere. You get so many different colours. Look at all those colours, I absolutely love it. Some of my favourites are, I love this turquoise colour. The pigment as well in these is really, really good, which means you only need like a tiny bit at a time, which is great. I also think this wine red is so beautiful, look at that. This purple glow one is really nice as well. These are the colours I've chosen to use today because I love autumn colours so much, so I want to create a few autumn pieces. So first up, I've got this beautiful vibrant orange colour. Then I've picked the wine red. I'm only going to use a little bit of this one. Then I've got the bronze and yellow. So these are the moulds that I'm going to be using. This one, and then I've got a little bare one. I might have some left over, so if I do, then I've got some spare moulds nearby. Okay, now just to show you the colours up close, this is what the wine red looks like. Look at that gorgeous depth of colour. I absolutely love that one. Then this is the yellow. It's very golden. Really love this colour, especially because I'm going for the autumn colour scheme. This one is the orange one. And then this one is the bronze. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a random pattern of colour in these ones. I'm going to add a drop of silicone oil in my yellow just to help create some cells, but you literally only need one drop. You don't want more than that. Then I'm going to add some orange and then some of the bronze as well. I'm just going to tap the sides to make sure that it's getting in every little bit and there's not air bubbles. I'm going to add a little bit more orange to the edges. And then I think I'm going to leave it at that because I think that looks really pretty. Okay, because I've got leftovers, I'm going to layer it in this bear because I think that'll look really cool. Like an autumn type bear. And then I'll show you what it looks like up close. Okay, I still have some left over, so I'm going to use this woman's body ornament and do a random one of those as well. This is what it's looking like so far up close. When it's a bit more set, I might swirl it a little bit more. But yeah, I'm loving the colours of this one. I'm excited to demould. I will demould tomorrow and show you what they look like. Also, side note, I spilt some resin as I was mixing, so I've just dropped a few bits of alcohol ink in there, and then when this sets I can peel it off and cut it up and use it for another project, so that's a little tip there for you. It is the next day now, which means that is the most exciting part, and that is and that is demoulding. I'll demould here and then I'll turn it around so that you can see as well exactly the detail, because the colours are so pretty I can't cope. So yeah, I'm just going to demould this one now. Oh, it's so pretty. It's all full of autumn colours. And this one you could literally have either side, and I think that's so... I just love it. Next up, I've got the little bear one. This is what the bottom bit looks like. I'll obviously do a close-up afterwards so that you can see properly. My life is fighting with moles. How cute is this bear? I just love autumn colours. I feel like I've said it 20 times in this video, but I do. Next up is the body mould. Oh, I love the colours. This is what it looks like. And then another little bear. I think this one was just red and I added a bit of white to it if I remember rightly. This is what this one looks like. I love it so much. I'll turn the camera now so you can see a close-up of the different, so this is one side of the large coaster. I just love the pigment and the colour, and it's got that slight shimmer to it, which is just beautiful as the light hits it. And then the other side just looks like this, so you could have it literally either way. I think I prefer this side though, I think it looks really cool. And then this is the red bear, which is quite cool. I think this one's my favourite. I love how the colours have merged together. And then this is what the body looks like. I just love it so much.